Hey guys, Karamo here, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you how I made an extra $20,000 from this work from home side hustle. And when you figure out what it is, you may be a bit surprised. You see, the best part about this side hustle is that I didn't have to have any particular skill. I just had to provide excellent customer service. It took me a while to perfect this side hustle, but it's something that I've scoured the internet and I haven't been able to find anywhere. It's one of those things that kind of just stares at you in the face, but you never truly realize until someone points it out to you. So this technique that I'm about to explain to you is called outsourcing. And outsourcing in its simplest terms is basically just hiring labor for cheap. 60% of US companies that employ over 50 employees are currently doing this. So there's no secret, it's just not talked about a lot. But this was honestly one of the #1 ways that I was able to generate extra income this year. So first you're gonna wanna download these 5 apps: Fiverr, Upwork, TikTok, Instagram, Nextdoor. Next, you're gonna wanna promote yourself, whether that's the services you wanna provide or that you're able to provide. These services can be anywhere from copywriting, creating YouTube thumbnails, all the way to creating websites for people. But don't worry, you don't have to have any specific skill set. All you have to do is be able to find someone who can provide these services for you. Now let me explain outsourcing. Customer comes to you, they need a thumbnail done for, say, $100. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go on sites like Fiverr or Upwork and see if anybody can create that same thumbnail for you for under $100. Say they're able to do it for you for 20. What you do is you tell that customer you accept the job, you get it done for 20, you take the 100, so now you've just made a profit of $80. If you continuously do this, you basically are putting in 0 to no work and you're still making a considerable amount of money based off of that. You can take on bigger jobs like creating websites. Obviously you can charge more for that and your profit margins will be a lot bigger. But this is the #1 side hustle. Honestly generated me so much extra income this year alone. And if you want to see more of these side hustles, just let me know in the comments. If you've never heard of this side hustle, let me know. But I'm telling you right now, if you utilize it, you can make a lot of money. Until next time.